is Tim here from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to print from your Android phone. So the most important thing is to have your printer and your phone connected to the same Wi-Fi network so the two can communicate and discover each other. So just go to settings and go to connections. And on your phone, just make sure you are connected to the same Wi-Fi as your printer. So make sure your printer's turned on, it's connected to the internet, and now your phone should be able to discover. So I'm not sure what you're printing, but I'm just going to go to one of these pictures right here, maybe this one right here, and then tap on the three dots and go to print. Now, at the top, you want to select a printer. So select a printer. Now, you can see my printer's already discovered on here. We can go to all printers and just see if we can find it in here. Sometimes it might not be in here. We can go to add printer. And for me, if my printer's not in here, I can go to all services. It'll open up the Google Play Store, and we just want to download the application for our printer. And that's usually what it takes to get this to work on your phone. You need to go to the Google Play Store right here and open this up. You can just type in play under search if you can't find it. Go to the Google Play Store and then go to search and search specifically for your printer. So if you have an HP, type in HP printer. If you have one of those Epsons, that's what I have. Epson printer app. That's what I went ahead and got it. So here's like Smart Print. Some of these like non-company printer apps could work too. Like that one, I'm not sure. It's like from Rhythm Mix OU or something. But here's the Epson iPrint right here. That's from Epson Corporation, so I could try downloading that one. Now I went ahead and got something else. What was it, like Epson Enabler or something like that. So it is one of their printing apps. I think it just added it to my screen, but I went ahead and downloaded it, and you can see I have cannot add printer right here, but I can see my printer right here. I can just tap it. Now I can go to the print option. We can look at the different options down here if we want color, and I think we got the size 4x6, so I can just do a 4x6 so I don't take up the entire piece of paper. Then I got color, and then I can just go to print right here. Now sometimes you have to go to the printer and still select the OK button to print it. Okay, so we can go to OK, and I can hear my printer in the other room, and I should be able to print this off now. So most important thing is connect to the same Wi-Fi, download the printer app in the Google Play Store, and you should be able to discover your printer and print from there. If it's still not printing, make sure you go to your printer. There might be something where you have to resize your picture or something like that, and you have to use the printer options just on the front of it, and you have to click like OK or something on it. That's happened to me a few times because whatever you're trying to print might not match like the orientation, the size. So hopefully this video did help you out.